back to my YouTube channel, you guys. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into this video, you guys. First, you want to start off by cooking your rice, and you guys, in this video I pre-cooked my rice, and you want to cook your rice according to the package. Now you want to take a whole pineapple and cut it in half the way you see in the video. Now you want to remove the inside of the pineapple and place that in a medium or large bowl. Pineapple should look like this in the inside, and you're going to repeat this process on the other half of the pineapple. Once you have removed the inside of the pineapple, you want to set it aside or either put it in the refrigerator like I did until it's time to use it. And since they were in chunks when I removed them from the pineapple, I'm just going back through just making the chunks a little bit smaller, or you could use a food chopper if you have one. Now you're going to cut up some ginger and some onions. Drain the juice from the pineapple so we can begin making our sauce. So those pineapples that I set aside, I did have to take a little of those and chop them up a little bit more in the food chopper because I didn't want it to be too chunky in the sauce. Now we're going to mix in our teriyaki sauce, some crushed red peppers, some chili powder, garlic powder, and some sweet Asian chili sauce. We're going to stir this up really well. We're going to place this in the refrigerator and let it marinate for about 30 minutes while we're getting ready to cook our tofu. You want to make sure that you're using extra firm tofu for this recipe. We're going to drain all the excess water from off the tofu by using paper towels and napkins. Now cut the tofu into cubes. Now you want to coat your tofu with cornstarch. In a medium saucepan, you want to heat up some oil, placing your tofu in there and let them cook for about 6 minutes. In a separate pan, you want to saute your ginger and your onions, and you want to cook them until they become tender. Now the sauce that you had marinated for about 30 minutes, you're going to add that to a pan. Add your ginger and your onions, bring that to a boil. Now you're going to add in your cooked tofu. You're going to stir this up really well, making sure that your tofu is completely covered in the sauce. And we're going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes before we begin to make our pineapple bowl. Now the pineapple halves that you set aside from earlier, now we're going to add rice to the pineapple. You're going to add your tofu mix. Garnish it off with some jalapeños or whatever you want to garnish it off with. And you have your delicious pineapple teriyaki tofu bowl. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Love you guys. See you next time.